So can I actually just, max this out and this as well? I wonder what's gonna happen. Overclocking Intel Arc should be the easiest thing ever, seeing how all the tools you need are right there in the Intel Arc control software. So let's see exactly how much more performance we can squeeze out of this card. I mean, is it actually just as simple as, I don't know, taking this up to about like 10, and then also let's boost the power limit to around like, I don't know, 200 watts. There, let's go. So we are going to be using Cyberpunk to stress test it and see what kind of results we get. And the score we have to beat is 18.8 frames or something. What do you expect? It's a very demanding game. And drum roll please, because we get 19.59. So that's already much better than before by just moving 2 sliders by a bit. So can I actually just, max this out and this as well? I wonder what's gonna happen. And the second I did it, the whole system just just froze up. So don't do that. So let's try a bit more of a conservative overclock and see if that helps. Okay, firstly, let's just max out the power limit, basically tell it to take all the power it can get out of the mere 8+6 power connectors on it. And for GPU performance, let's just go with, I don't know, let's just go with like a 25. I mean, we haven't crashed yet, so we're off to a good start. And while I don't think that thermals should be an issue, let's take off the side panel just in case. Okay, and we get 20.37 FPS, once again, a pretty nice improvement. And that's at 25, so let's see how much further we can take it. Okay, let's go up to 35 now. It is making like a very weird noise. I don't know if my mic's picking it up or not. But whatever, if it catches on fire, hey, that's just more content. And okay, we didn't really get much in terms of performance uplift there, but can we get away with 50? And it crashed, so yeah. Don't do 50. Is it going to... Okay, cool. It actually launched at, what is it, 45. Awesome. Nope, never mind. It's dead, Jim. Okay, I think nothing beyond 40 is going to work here. That's kind of disappointing. Okay, I mean, I tried a few more settings, but I just can't get anything near 40 stable. But that's alright, because I think we've proven enough here that overclocking your Arc A770 or A750 can bring huge results. And I know that a game like Cyberpunk is kind of an edge case, but even in a more sensible game like, say, Rainbow Six Siege, it will provide a very noticeable difference. But of course, if you have to buy one first, then our Amazon and Newegg links to it are going to be down in the video description below, alongside our Patreon, because even a single $1 truly goes a long way. And also huge thanks to my existing patrons, Gavin Burns, LKB, Justin Rage, Ella Ronyak, Polish Roker, Meg Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lansby, and Level Up. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.